How to use Proxy by Janitor AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable or activate the proxy that you have set up on your Janitor AI chatbot. First is, of course, go into Janitor AI official website and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, on your dashboard, you should be able to see the recent history where you interacted with chatbots available here. But first, make sure that the specific current chatbot you're in is actually allowed on using for proxy. So just scroll down from the very bottom part of your chatbot page, and you should be able to see here that the proxy is allowed for that bot. Now, once you go back, just simply hit on continue so that you can configure the setup of the proxy. Now, at the top right, you should be able to see three lines. Click that, and then choose on API settings. Now choose on proxy and all the proxy API configurations that you've added to use a proxy for the chatbot will show here. If you haven't set it up yet, just simply try to watch the previous video that I made for you to be able to know on how you can set up proxy into Janitor AI. To activate it, just simply click on the current proxy that you created, click on Save Settings, and refresh the page. And that's it. That's how you use Proxy by Janitor AI.